In today's video, I will be showing you the best 3 apps to fully load your Firestick, giving you enough content to last you a lifetime. And best of all, these apps are the most up-to-date and ad-free. So if you're ready to get started, just grab your remote and don't forget to stay till the end, as after the guide we will show you how you can get your hands on a brand new Firestick 4K Max absolutely free. If that sounds good, just grab your remote and let's get started. Hey there, fellow streamers! Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Firestick. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my Fire TV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps, go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IPTV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IPVanish, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. From your home screen, make your way to your newly installed Downloader app. Select the search bar, and when this screen appears, just type in exactly what you see here on the screen. Make sure there are no mistakes or typing errors, and remember, you can always pause the video if you need a little more time. When you're finished typing, just hit go and the site will now load. It shouldn't take long, but if it's the first time you've used this code or the Downloader app, it may take a little longer. I think my connection speed is a little low at the moment. Just hang in there. Here we go. Once the site has loaded, just click OK on the prompt, and then make your way down to the Download section. Once you've clicked on it, you will see the first thing on the list are my 3 recommended apps. These apps are my go-to apps for the moment and cover all the basic content you need. To download the first one, just click on the icon and you will be taken to the Downloads page. Once there, if you just scroll down, you will see the Download button. And once you've clicked on it, the app will download to your device, and you can just follow the on-screen prompts to install. When it's finished, just click Done, and we can now delete the install files to free up space on our device. Now that's all finished. We just need to press back on your remote to get back to the Downloads page where we can now click on the second app in the list. The steps to install this one are the same as the last, so while I let the video run in the background, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my latest tutorials and to keep notified of any changes to my app recommendations. I will be monitoring these apps constantly, making sure they are working and the most up-to-date versions, and may change them out for alternatives if any of them go down or are unavailable. Okay, so now go ahead and delete the install files for our second app. Press back on the remote, and now we can go and select the icon for our third and final app. When you're on the Apps page, scroll down and click on the green Download button. Don't forget to watch till the end to find out how you can win a free Fire Stick. I have been and will continue to do giveaways every time the channel reaches a new milestone, so stay tuned. Just hit the Install button and wait for the app to install. Like before, when it's finished, make sure to delete those install files. If you press the Home button on your remote, I will now show you where to find your apps and how to move them onto your home screen. Head over to your Apps section and then scroll and highlight the app you would like to move. Hold down the Select button on your remote for a few seconds, and you can now move it to the front of your list. Press the Select button again to save. Now if you press the Home button, you will see it there at the front. Just repeat these steps for the others to move them all to the home screen. All that's left now is to test the apps out for yourself. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You are now in with a chance of winning a brand new Fire Stick 4K Max absolutely free, just like our previous winner Frost Maintenance. So here's what you need to do. First, make sure you like the video and have subscribed to the channel. Also make sure you hit that notification bell, as every video between now and 15,000 subscribers will have a question at the end. Today's question is, what is your favorite line from a movie? If you think you know the answer, just pop it in the comments and make sure you have liked the video and subscribed to the channel, as every video between now and when we are at 15,000 subscribers will have another chance to enter at the end. Good luck, and see you at the next video!